Noah, bukal basing labang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib siwari na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay.
Opo, Father.
Try to answer me very, very honestly. Ang tanong sa iyo, Warren, may asawa ka na ba? Anong isasagot mo? Meron? O, yabang mo. Oh, lalaki, magsasabi yan ng ako'y may asawa na. Ito ba namang mukhang ito? May asawa na. Pero talagang nangyayari yon. Ano, hindi ko sinasabing magsisinungaling ka, pero ito ang ibig kong sabihin. Try to be consistent. May asawa ka ngayon, ipagmalaki mo ang asawa mo. Ipagsigawan mo ang asawa mo.
I don't wanna be no star, have fame on the boulevard. No, that's not what I'm looking for. I don't need shiny things or love from a movie.
Warren, bukal baseng labang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Noah na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay.
Opo, Father.
Give me an ordinary love that I touch, that I hold. Give me an ordinary love. I don't live in the hills, and I probably never will. No, but that won't keep me up at night, because she's dancing like a fool across my living room. Whenever I'm with you, my heart is singing. Give me an ordinary love that I touch, that I hold. Give me an ordinary love. Keep those fancy things, keep your magazines. I don't even want what I'm chasing, because all I know is it ordinary.
Noah, kailan may di kita pagtataksilan, isuot mo't pakaingatan ang singsing na ito.
Na siyang sangla ng aking pag-ibig at katapatan, sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, ng Espiritu Santo.